Okay, and I'm happy to say that 44 people has been placed in different companies, because again it's all their hard work and I just only guided them. So it's all their hard work. So 44 people, and till today they didn't come back to me asking a question, Raj, what is this? Because they have got all that required 2 years skills in this course, and they have practiced after 1.5 months. So already they have practiced 1.5 months seriously, rigorously they have practiced, and most of the people you can find in Accenture, in Quintiles, Paraxel, even in Cognizant Mumbai. So many big companies they were placed in, right? Fine. Sorry. Who will? Established? I don't know yet. I'm working for the past 3 years, but before that I don't know. Okay, right. So topics covers in data presentation. Our next concept is data presentation. Now you got this result here, right? This result, it will display in SAS environment. Agree? So now I should share this result with my client. Again, what I have to do? Copy paste? No. See and writing? No. Okay. Your SAS software is designed in such a way that it will automatically export results into a PDF document. It will create results into a Word document, into an Excel document, into a HTML document. So basically, whenever you are expecting a client, you will expect this basic software, PDF, Word document, Excel. So now your SAS software has the provision to export this result into a PDF. If your document is 100% secured and if you don't want to do any edits, so you will send this document in a PDF. So if the client wants to do some edit, he wants to write some more information there. So I will send this document in Word document. So if your client wants to do some more presentation based on this data, I'll send this document, this data in Excel file. HTML. HTML is basic. Even though if you're not installing your Word document, a PDF, so by default you'll get to your HTML, because with your operating system you'll get this Internet Explorer. You can send this result in HTML views. Okay. So this is the only one software which has all the provisions. Okay, right. Fine. So now data access, data management, data analysis, data presentation. So any questions from these 4 topics? Okay, right. So one more point I wanted to tell you here is, I told you SAS will be able to connect a notepad file and to an Oracle. So what is the difference between a file and a database? Simply saying, what I can tell you is, in a file you can store limited number of records. For example, if you are taking an Excel file, you see you will be able to store 10,48,576 records. If suppose if my data is having 11 lakh records, will your Excel file is compatible? No. Is your notepad file compatible? No. Then I have to take the help of my database. So your database is such a software where it will store unlimited amount of data. Unlimited in the sense, it depends upon your CPU size. If your CPU is having 1 terabyte, it will be able to read 1 terabyte data. If your CPU is having 10 terabyte, it will be able to read 10 terabyte of data. List goes on. If you are working on a mainframe, so your mainframe you will have 1000 terabyte. 1000 terabyte means how many GB? 1000 terabyte means how many GB? 1000 into 1024. So these many. 10,24,000 GB. It is 10,24,000 GB. So this much of amount you can store in Oracle. Okay, right. So 2 GB antenna, like how many songs, how many movies you will get? Or how many video songs you will get? Lot of pics, lot of songs, lot of video songs you will get. Imagine 10 lakhs 24,000 GB. Okay, it's a huge database. Agree? Right. So whenever your Oracle is able to store 10 lakh 24,000 GB, so I said your SAS will also be able to connect a Oracle file. Agree? Your SAS will also able to connect a Oracle file. If your SAS is reading only 1 lakh GB, is this okay? No. So then your SAS competency is not okay. Your SAS software is also more or less equal to a database. If your Oracle is having 10 lakh GB, it will also store 10 lakh GB into your SAS. If your Oracle is having 1 lakh GB, it will store 1 lakh GB. No issues. So more or less your SAS software is also working like a database. More or less you are also working as a database tool. Okay, because it also stores unlimited amount of data, and whenever you require one record in a fraction of a second, it will retrieve that record and it will show. Basically database has two properties. It will store unlimited amount of data, and second one is whenever you want particular information, suppose 101 patient information I want. So if you are writing a query, it will display that information in fraction of a second, provided how much big the database is. Fraction of a second it will retrieve 101 information, patient number 101. So same task your SAS will also do. Okay, same task your SAS will also be able to do. So for 101 record, if you want to bring from SAS, it will also display in fraction of a second. Okay, more or less your software is also working as a database tool. And point number 2, already your software is SAS. In the name itself, it is already mentioned that your software is a analysis tool. Okay, this is an analysis tool. Your SAS software is working as a analysis tool. And finally, data presentation. So you are working this tool as a reporting tool. You are reporting the results to client, right? So the same way your software is also working as a reporting tool. This is the only one software which is working as a database tool, analysis tool, and finally a reporting tool. Okay, this is the only one software which is working as a database tool, analysis tool, and finally a reporting tool. Fine. So do we expect more than this? Do we expect more than this? All your data is given, it is reading. So it is presenting result in whatever the format you want. So not more required, right? So that is why SAS has come into boom. Okay, that is why SAS has come into boom. Right. So now whenever I say my software is working as a database tool, whenever I say my software is working as a database tool, then why should I go for Oracle? Oracle software is also having license. We need to pay 3 lakhs or 4 lakhs for license. Okay, then why should I spend extra amount for license Oracle? Why? No. So whenever you said that so your software is equally working as a database, then why should I go for other data source? Not required. Can I enter data in SAS? So is this possible? Can I enter data in SAS? What do you say? Whenever I say my software is a database tool, I can also enter data in SAS. I can also enter data in SAS. No need of depending on notepad file or Excel file. You can also type your data in SAS and do some analysis. Okay, right. Yeah.